Hi, Clever Mums. Ready to make smart kitchen choices? Let's get started with Clever Mum, where smarter kitchens begin. Are you overwhelmed by the endless air fryer options out there? With so many sizes, styles, and features, it's natural to feel stuck. Questions like, what's essential? Or how do I start might loom large. But here's the great news. This video is your easy guide. With simple steps, we'll help you cut through the clutter, avoid mistakes, and confidently choose the right air fryer for your lifestyle. By the end, you'll have everything you need to find your perfect match. Intrigued? Let's jump in. Step 1 to choosing your air fryer. Know your type. Basket-style fryers are a top pick for their simplicity and speed, ideal for singles or couples crafting quick meals like fries or chicken tenders. However, if you cook for a crowd or enjoy experimenting with more complex dishes, oven-style air fryers may be your dream tool. Think more space, versatile features like baking or broiling, and a powerhouse for variety. But remember, these take up more kitchen space and might need extra effort for even results. Consider this. Are you after weeknight convenience or weekend culinary fun? Your lifestyle decides the winner. It's all about matching your goals with the features that make them easy. Ever attempted to cook a big meal in too small of a fryer and ended up battling uneven results? Size is the game changer. Small fryers of 3 to 4 quarts are great for individuals or snack prepping, families or meal preppers. Bigger fryers, around 8 to 10 quarts, keep you from running endless cooking batches. But here's the twist. Dimensions matter too. A shallow, wide fryer fits casseroles, while a deep design might not. Visualize your favorite meals. Are chicken wings a staple or entire pizzas? Choosing the right capacity eliminates frustration, saving you from an appliance that's either too small or overly bulky. Balance your kitchen space with cooking efficiency and you're set. Want consistently perfect, crispy results? That's all about power and heat distribution. Most air fryers operate at 1500 and 1800 watts, but here's the deal. Higher wattage, like 1700 plus, heats up faster and cooks at peak performance. No more soggy fries or waiting forever to preheat. Yet, watts alone aren't enough. They need to pair with engineered airflow for even cooking. Here's an example. 2 fryers both have 1700 watts, but one delivers restaurant-quality crispness because it circulates air smarter. Busy nights call for appliances that save time and deliver every tim. So invest in both wattage and top-tier heat functionality. It pays off with better, faster meals. Here's where many get sidetracked: extra features. Are 15 cooking presets or app connectivity game changers? Often they're just shiny add-ons. Focus on what genuinely improves the experience. Manual temperature and timer controls. Yes, shake reminders for even cooking. Absolutely. Even the user interface matters. Do you prefer modern touchscreens or reliable, easy-to-turn dials? Flashy might look great, but can sacrifice usability. Practicality over bells and whistles ensures you'll actually use your air fryer, saving you time and maximizing results. Keep your choices simple and let your appliance work for you, not the other way around. Here's a detail most regret ignoring: maintenance. Cleaning struggles can turn excitement into dread quickly. Look for non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe components to make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. But durability matters too. Avoid cheap materials that scratch and peel easily. Stainless steel or durable coatings are worth the investment and last longer. Don't overlook the warranty, it's your safety net and speaks volumes about product reliability. In the end, the best air fryer isn't just about cooking. It's one that makes cleanup and care practically effortless, keeping your kitchen stress-free and enjoyable. Now, let's bring it all together with a quick recap in 5 steps. First, choose the type that fits your needs, whether it's a compact basket style for busy weeknights or a versatile oven style for multi-use cooking. Your lifestyle drives the decision. Second, select the size. From small models for snacks to larger ones for families, think capacity meets practicality. Third, don't skimp on power. High wattage paired with superior airflow guarantees better, faster, and crispier meals with less hassle. Fourth, stick to functionality that matters. Forget excessive presets. Instead, prioritize basics like manual controls and convenient extras like shake reminders. Finally, prioritize easy maintenance. Non-stick surfaces, durable materials, and warranties can make or break your fryer experience. With these steps, picking your perfect air fryer becomes simple. No more confusion, just faster, tastier meals every time. Feeling ready to pick the perfect air fryer? This guide from Clever Mum has simplified the process. If it helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and share this with anyone also on the hunt for an air fryer. Got air fryer advice or recipes? Drop them below in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. With the right air fryer, your kitchen will never be the same. Thanks for watching Clever Mum. See you next time.